healthcare manager Sandra Reimann got emotional as she discussed her workload in an interview as German leaders scrambled to stop the surge of coronavirus cases before Christmas. Outgoing Chancellor, Angela Merkel, was able to introduce restrictions on unvaccinated people which will prevent them from visiting public places as fear grows over the Omicron variant. Ms. Reimann and her colleagues were upset that many Germans were not coming forward to get their vaccines as they become overwhelmed for winter. Wilma Klink, a physician at a Frankfurt hospital, told DW News she was confused why people have not come forward for their jabs as Germany grapples with a new wave. She said, "Of course, we wonder why these patients chose not to get vaccinated. Not because we have so much work now or feel exhausted, but why did these people put themselves at risk and not take the situation seriously?" Ms. Reimann was also interviewed, but her eyes could be seen watering as she emotionally shared her story. The health worker added, "I think we really have tough times ahead of us and we have to manage together somehow. We have no other choice but simply how it is. I can't handle negativity. I'm trying to stay positive, but I can't tell if I can keep it up. It's all a bit difficult right now." In her final few days as Chancellor, Angela Merkel has thrown her support behind compulsory vaccination as Germany's fourth wave grips the country. The German leader revealed some hospitals have been forced to airlift patients to other facilities and said, "The fourth wave must be broken and this has not yet been achieved. Given the situation, I think it is appropriate to adopt compulsory vaccination." German citizens are not allowed to visit public places unless they can prove they are vaccinated or have been infected with COVID before. This means the very popular Christmas markets across the country have seen far fewer attendees as only around 76% of the population have been fully vaccinated. Germany is also reporting around 55,000 daily cases, making it the hotspot for infections in Europe, with the UK only a few thousand behind. German Health Minister Jens Spahn warned that everyone would either be vaccinated, cured or dead by spring, in an eye-opening warning to the public. Mr. Spahn also said the current restrictions have come too late and said ICU wards would see 5,000 people in the next week. Resistance to the draconian measures continued to grow on the continent after large protests broke out in Austria after unvaccinated citizens were told not to leave their homes unless for essential reasons. In Belgium, riot police deployed water cannons against demonstrators who did not like the new vaccine passports being introduced. Similar scenes were also seen in Italy. The UK has reintroduced some restrictions such as wearing masks in shops and public transport, but government officials have downplayed further limits being put in place. Science Minister George Freeman explained to Sky News that the early lockdown easing combined with a vaccination program means the UK is less likely to need restrictions when compared to European neighbours.